In step 6, we will be designing the detailed table that takes up the remainder of the report. We will start by going to the body of the report in the outline, insert element, and we'll choose table. We will select it to have 4 columns and base it off the detail data set. We're going to set a page break to always happen before displaying this table. Now we're going to add 3 groups. The first grouping, we're going to simply group on code. For the second grouping, we're going to group on the code category. We're going to do a substring on the code for the first 2 characters. Then we're going to add one more group on the code, and this one's going to have no detail, so we'll need to click the Hide Detail checkbox. Now we'll just delete any values that the designer automatically entered. We will go to our detailed data set and drag all 4 columns into our table. We are dragging these into the third group that we've created. For each of the group headings that do not have data within them and the footers, we are going to hide the element so they don't display any white space. We're also going to hide the column for code. Next, we're going to apply our conditional formatting. So the first thing we're going to do is give the salary cell a background color of yellow, meaning no highlight. Then we're going to add a highlight for salary. Where the salary is in the top 25%, we're going to change the background color to green. Another highlight where the salary is in the bottom 25%, we're going to give it a background color of red. And one more highlight where the code substring last 4 characters matches 4 zeros. We're going to style it denoting that this is an occupation category. We're going to repeat this process for the total employees column as well. Background color of yellow denoting no highlighting. And the highlighting here is going to be where total employees is in the top 25%. We're going to make this one red. And where the total employees is in the bottom 25%, we'll make this green background. And we'll add the highlight for the occupation category. We'll add some additional formatting and styling. And we're going to say where the row number mod 2, where that is equal to 0, we're going to assign a very subtle gray background. This will allow striping on our details to read the rows better. And like our other columns, we're going to add the occupation category to display as a header. We're going to format the salary to be currency as we have before. We'll format the total employee column as a fixed decimal with no decimal places and a 1,000 separator. We'll then do some justification on the columns. Change the header slightly to be more descriptive. We'll set a white border between the rows. On the top of the cell. And on the very top header, we'll just give it a black background and white text. Resize the columns a bit. Save. And let's add a left-hand white border before we finish this up. On the salary cell and also on the total employee cell. Now we'll save.